In the evolving landscape of critical infrastructure, staying ahead means embracing innovation. Innovation that does what it should, improves work, creates efficiencies, and improves decisions. Established in 2021, Looq AI introduced a groundbreaking approach to digitization and diagnosis of vital assets. Looq provides easy, fast, and accurate capture, modeling, and analysis to support topographic mapping, creating comprehensive surveys quickly, safely, and accurately. And for utilities and their engineering ecosystem, we provide quick capture and modeling of transmission and distribution assets for structural analysis, design optimization, and safe and efficient inspection. To address improving the intelligence of infrastructure, we developed the Looq platform. This solution enables utilities, engineering, and surveying to document, analyze, and optimize existing conditions in real time. This is advanced 3D capture, precision photogrammetry, and artificial intelligence, and an interactive web-based platform. Leveraging AI-enabled workflows, we simplify the process of generating geometrically precise, geo-referenced, and intelligent digital twins. Users can improve fielding workflows and field crew efficiency, improve project timelines, and better manage margins, get survey-grade accuracy, and improve inspection and maintenance workflows. This isn't just about data collection, it's about transforming the data into actionable insights quickly and efficiently. We do this to help you make better decisions so that your infrastructure is reliable and resilient. What you get with Looq is a solution that is quick, accurate, and affordable. Whether you're managing large-scale infrastructure projects, maintaining utility assets, or conducting environmental assessments, we are investing in helping you advance infrastructure with a scalable, cost-effective way to digitize and manage the built world, making it safer, more sustainable, and ready for the generations ahead. Discover the power of making infrastructure intelligent with Looq AI. For more information, visit our website at www.looq.ai.